Greetings, and salutations. Ladies and gentlemen, you know it's your favorite farmer man. It's Rastafari Soldier. And do you know what this plant is right here, ladies and gentlemen? Of course you do. Now this is one of my favorite plant, one of my favorite fruit, one of my favorite food. Now leave a comment quickly if you know what it is. Now, have you ever seen this plant before? Do you recognize this plant? Look at the leaves. Yeah, and look at the vines. Unfortunately, this one went through a little struggle in the water. Let me give you a little hint right here. You see the hint? Okay. If you give up, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to let you know. This is a watermelon plant. And yes, this small vine will produce some of the most delicious fruits you ever seen. And like I said, it rained very hard here, and this is the dirt, the remnants of the dirt on the vine. And look at the small vine. Look at the vine. Huh? Look at this small vine. And as it branches out, look at the beautiful, beautiful fruit that's produced. A delicious watermelon, ladies and gentlemen. This small plant producing this ginormous fruit. It's unbelievable. And from the vines to the fruit, you know the Crocus farmer wants to bring the youths into the farming. So children, when you do get a watermelon with seed, just, place it in a napkin and let it sit for a few 5 days or so, slightly damped in a styrofoam cup, and the seed will germinate. And you could put it in dirt. But this is a beautiful, beautiful example. Look at the vine on this baby watermelon here. Look at the stem. Yeah, nothing prettier than that. So ladies and gentlemen, remember, it's your favorite farmer man. Yeah, it's Rastafari Soldier again, Crocus farmer. I'm here in the beautiful country area, Cornwall District, Cornwall PO in St. Elizabeth. No place I'd rather be. Farming on the farm, evening till morning. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, Rastafari Soldier, I tell you, say, bless up on yourself, big up on yourself, wish you was here. More life and more joy, more happiness.